Time is an arrow that points in only one direction. The cruel law of entropy has been proven.
After facing heat death reign, this is the final way we fight back.
There is one inherent physical barrier. It is called the speed of light. The frontier that cannot be crossed, set by Albert Einstein.
Yet, within general relativity, Einstein also opened the door to the impossible.
Travel through the warping of the space-time fabric itself.
If we cannot go faster than light, perhaps we can take a shortcut.
It is a bridge connecting two distant points in space and time.
That is the theory of the wormhole.
The wormhole is a theoretical tunnel, a shortcut between two distant regions.
The problem is, ordinary matter collapses the wormhole instantly.
To stabilize it, it needs exotic matter.
A substance with negative pressure and negative mass. Like a form of anti-gravity, but with inverted gravitational properties.
Generating this exotic matter requires vast amounts of energy.
More power than even a Kardashev level 3E civilization might possess.
But if we stabilize it, the gate for instant spatial travel opens.
And more importantly, it holds the key to changing time itself.
The physical shortcut is complete.
But this is just the first step of the journey.
One mouth of the wormhole is held fixed.
While the other is accelerated near light speed and brought back.
The resulting time dilation creates a significant time discrepancy.
This time discrepancy creates a closed time-like curve now.
This is the most theoretical path to reversing the arrow of time.
But it leads us to a zone more dangerous than any black hole.
The grandfather paradox is not just a theory. It is the erasure of your own consciousness.
What happens to your personal history when you change your origin?
The causality breaks, and the universe faces instant paradox.
That is the greatest threat to the integrity of reality. The sheer weight of consequence prevents the action.
The feeling of helplessness when confronted with fate.
Scientists like Igor Novikov believe physics prevents change.
The past is immutable. Nothing you do can alter the course of history.
Any attempt to change the past is subtly blocked by random physical forces. ensuring your actions always align with what has already happened.
Another theory involves cosmic strings, defects in space-time.
They can theoretically generate a CTC without the need for a wormhole.
However, this requires a perfect alignment and energy comparable to the wormhole. In the fight against entropy, time travel is the final physical battle.
But if the Novikov principle is wrong, the only solution is the multiverse hypothesis.
Every action creates a new, separate branch of reality.
So, is time travel a change, or merely a displacement to another universe?
To create a stable CTC, we need to master post-Kardashev knowledge.
Even beyond what previous civilizations could dream of.
But if time is merely a programmed parameter,
Then time travel is not physics, but a code hack.
But whether we are prepared to pay the price. The ultimate, impossible quest of science.
The moment of decision is here.
All theories collapse into one single point.
The origin of all paradoxes.
The intervention of a transcendent force.
Our destiny, predetermined or not. The Creator's final touch on the timeline.
Time is code. This is the final hack. The code breaks, revealing the base reality beneath.
What if the laws themselves are merely adjustable settings?
The consciousness shifts from physical to pure information. The back door of the simulation is the ultimate time gate. Causality refuses to be broken. The universe forces history to remain self-consistent. The universe is a perfectly self-consistent machine.
The ultimate frustration. To witness change, but not affect it.
The raw force required to stabilize a temporal gate.
A fragile thread against the scale of eternity. Is intervention just crossing to a new dimension? Our reality is contained, measured, and observed. The concept of time travel forces us to confront determinism. The search for meaning beyond the arrow of time. Controlling negative mass is controlling gravity itself. We exploit the quantum realm, the zero-point energy. Harnessing the power of 1,000,000 suns for stabilization.
Passing the critical point of no return.
The physics of light are bent to our will.
The journey through the bridge of time.
Monitoring the fragile space-time integrity.
The ultimate fusion of exotic energy. The return journey is always the most costly.
The physical cost of the jump is immense.
Carrying the weight of a broken causality.
What if the ultimate answer is not travel, but evolution? Digital immortality, escaping time by leaving the physical body behind.
We call this final state the Omega point. It is the true escape from the tyranny of entropy. No longer physical, but pure, infinite information.
This is the alternative we built to save ourselves.
The ultimate evolution is escaping the boundaries of physics entirely. Journey begins anew, this time with true understanding. Closing in on the final barrier.
Watching history recede into the distance.
Crossing the boundary of the known universe.
Washing away the limits of relativity. Time loses all meaning here. Acceptance of the ultimate destiny.
It shrinks into a sensible point.
The filter is activated. The gate opens.
Of the true reality.
We become energy, pure and unburdened. The arrow of time.
is finally fractured.
Infinite possibilities emerge from the void.
All of time, experienced in a single instant.
The architecture of the cosmos exposed.
The vessel is gone. Only consciousness remains.
A new form of existence is born. Towards the ultimate truth of the cosmos. We have become the observer. The final scene is set to begin. All roads lead back to this one paradox.
The final decision is made.
In the end, time travel is an acceptance of fate.
We cannot beat entropy.
Unless we were created to find the way out.
The supreme manipulation of all physical laws.
The grand cycle reverses. Energy is restored. The universe rewinds.
Leaving only the memory of what could have been.
The final act of transcendence.
Question lingers in the silence.